Are you struggling with creating multiple where conditions in Laravel? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common issue that many developers face when working with Laravel Collections. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when your code doesn't work as expected, especially when you're trying to filter data with multiple conditions. This is a common hurdle for many Laravel users. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. A user asked how to create a multiple where clause query using Laravel Eloquent. They provided an example where they tried to filter a collection with two conditions but ran into an error. Sound familiar? Let's break it down. So, what went wrong? The user attempted to use the where method with an array of conditions, but Laravel's collection where method expects a different format. Understanding this is key to resolving the issue. And stick around. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to fix this issue, but also gain insights into best practices for using Laravel Collections. To address the user's issue with multiple where conditions in Laravel Collections, we first need to understand how to structure the query correctly. The user is currently passing an array to the where method, which is not the expected format. Next, the user should use a loop or the where method multiple times to apply each condition. This way, each condition can be added individually to the query. Alternatively, the user can use the where method with an array of conditions, but it must be structured correctly. The user can utilize the where method with a closure for more complex queries. Finally, the user should test the updated query to ensure it returns the expected results. This can be done by checking the output of the collection after applying the conditions. Fun fact, Laravel was created by Taylor Otwell in 2011, and it has since become one of the most popular PHP frameworks. It's amazing how far we've come in web development. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggests that since the where function requires more than one parameter, you can specify conditions individually. For example, you can use the first two elements of your match array like this. Return the collection where the first condition is met and the second condition is met. You can also include an operator in your where clause. For instance, you can specify an operator like equals or not equals. This allows for more flexibility in your conditions. Let's move forward and look at another answer. An alternative solution provided by a user involves creating a loop to apply multiple where conditions. They suggest initializing a query variable and iterating over the conditions, applying each one to the data collection. Here's a pro tip. Always check the documentation for the specific methods you're using. Laravel's documentation is extensive and can save you a lot of time when troubleshooting. And there you have it. You've learned how to handle multiple where conditions in Laravel Collections. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on Laravel and web development.